Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This beautiful closure wig right here is from Westkiss hair, and if you want to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And before I continue with this video, I just want to show you guys how it is that it's glueless. You can wear it with glue or without. Look at that. I could just take it off and put it right back on without any glue. So if you want to know how to achieve this, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want.
Alright you guys, let's get started. As you know, this hair is from Westkiss and I'm really excited about this. So they gave me some goodies, some lashes, a bonnet, edge brush, and a band, and a wig cap. And lo and behold, this is the hair right here, and I'm going to open it for the first time with you guys. And yeah, I'm just taking out the net that it comes in. And already I can tell that the hair is super nice and full, like super full. Look at that. Like, this is a really nice density. Look at those curls. They're just so beautiful, you just want to eat them. But yes, this is the hair, and I'm showing you guys inside the wig. You can tell that it's a nice lace quality, and it's a closure. There's two bands on this, well, sorry, there's two combs on the side and there's one at the bottom, which is perfect for grip. And there are two bands right there that I will be putting together so that the wig is nice and snug. So off the bat, right out the box, this is how it looks like on my head. It's already pre-plucked, and there is baby hair. And what I like about this wig is that the knots are so small, so I don't even really need to pluck or anything like that. Or I don't even need to bleach the knots, which is always so good for me because I hate bleaching knots. But so that the lace can be the same color as me, I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer and my brush, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to apply it on the brush, and then I'm going to apply it all over the lace. And this will make the lace blend in with my forehead, so it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. So after I finished doing that, I put the wig back on, and look at that. The wig looks like it's coming from my scalp. Look at the difference. You barely see the lace after. This is a crucial step to making your lace blend in and look natural. Alright, now so it's time to cut the lace, and I'm going to take my eyebrow scraper and I'm going to cut the lace. And as you guys know, I always cut in an up and down motion, not in a straight down, because it'll look too unnatural. So as you see, I'm kind of cutting it in a wave, up and down, and I'm going to do that all the way till the end of the lace. And when I finish, I put it back on, and look at that, you guys. It just looks like it's coming from my scalp. I'm loving it. But we are not done yet. Although if you want to wear like this, you can go ahead, but I like to customize it nice. So as I showed you guys, I put the elastic band together so that it could be nice and snug, and I put it on my head. In this video, I'm giving you guys the option of, you know, putting the Got To Be spray, which is still a glueless method, but it's still sticking it on your head. So I'm doing that now, but at the end of the video, I also show you guys the results with me just leaving it on my head without it being glued. So right now I'm showing you guys how I do the glue. Well, the glueless, the Got To Be spray. So basically I just spray it on the lace and then I comb it backwards. And then Westkiss provided me with a melting band, which is amazing. So I'm just putting that on my forehead, and I'm going to leave it for about 25 minutes. And while I'm waiting, I'm just going to style the hair. And I feel like doing a middle part today, so I'm just parting it in the middle. And then I'm going to apply my serum to protect it from heat because I'm about to apply my hot comb. And you want to put just a little bit of it. A little bit of it goes a long way. If you put too much, then your hair is going to look really disgusting and greasy. It smells so good. All right, and then I'm also going to take my wax stick and I'm going to apply it at the top too, so that it makes it nice and flat and so that it protects it from the heat also. All right, and now I take my hot comb and I'm going to put it on top of my hair. And I'm just going to comb down, and it's going to make it nice and flat and laid. And I will show you guys the difference. And do you see this side compared to that side? It's nice and flat. If you want it poofy, you could just leave it. By all means, you can skip this step. But I like mine's a bit flatter on the top, so even if it's curly hair, so I always do this step. And then I'm going to take some mousse and I'm going to put it all over the hair. Again, if you want like a more natural, untamed look, you can always skip this step, but I put mousse all over it. And now when I take it out, I do notice that you can still see the lace and everything, but that's an easy fix. So I'm just taking a wipe and I'm taking off the excess spray that dried up on my forehead, and now I'm going to repeat that step with my bronzer and the brush. And look at that, it already looks like it's blending in so much better. That's all you need to do. And now I'm taking the edge brush that was provided and I'm going to do the baby hairs. And this will make the illusion of a frontal. I know this is a closure, but baby hairs always help just, you know, any wig to look like a frontal. And now I'm just going to cut it down with a razor, and notice that I don't cut it straight down, like I kind of just like, you know, shave it down because you don't want a blunt cut. And then I put my mousse, and look at that, just like that, I just put it where I want it to be. And when I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to take my melting band. This is not the Westkiss one, this is my own melting band. And I'm just going to put it on top because I find that this melting band is really, like it's really powerful, and because I just put some mousse on the lace, I want it to be nice and laid. And when I take it out about 10 minutes later, it looks like this, and I love the results. Alright you guys, so this could definitely be the final result for you. I wanted to try it out in a different way too, so what I did was I took off the wig, and the baby hair in the middle, I kind of combed that out, and I applied it as just a glueless wig, and this was the result right here. And I love it. I love it like this. I love that I could just take it off and put it back on whenever I want to. Mind you, this right here is the result of it not being sprayed or anything. So as you can see, I can take it off and just put it right back, and see, just like that. And this is really the definition of a glueless wig, and look how it just pops right on back and it looks amazing. I also added some water to it, that's why my shirt is wet. But yeah guys, shout out to Westkiss for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this wig. And as for shedding, this hair does not shed a lot at all. I combed it out once and there was a little bit of hair in my head, and that's completely normal because it is curly hair. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye for now.